Swarit, can you please read question, filling the blanks wala? Please read the question and then the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Fill in the blanks with the present tense of the verb given in the bracket.
Right? Generally?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please continue. Sorry, switch on your camera also, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I usual days to go to the park every evening. I usually go to the park every evening.
Yes, I usually go to the park every evening. Okay, thank you, Swarit. Is my screen visible to everyone? Swarit, you can turn off your mic and video both.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is visible.
My screen is visible? Okay. Chalo, next on my list is Sia. Sia Korvadia. Please read the second one. This is simple present tense. आपने already learn करा हुआ है and you will be having the acknowledgement of this chapter by Dishita ma'am. जब grammar में ये chapter आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Shui and Grandpa visited the garden often.
Now, visited नहीं आएगा. Not the past tense. It is simple present tense. So, Shui and Grandpa visit the garden often. Okay, Jia?
Okay, ma'am.
Sorry. Chalo, next, Kashwi.
Okay, ma'am. You play basketball once a week.
Yes, you play basketball once a week. Right? Thank you, bacha. Next is Krishiv Bhalani.
It and his friend.
Krishiv, fourth one. Krishiv, am I audible to you, beta? Chalo. Now, Diya, please switch on your mic. Read the fourth one.
Okay, ma'am. Tarun works every day.
Yes, Tarun works every day. Now here in simple present tense you need to take care कि अगर आपका subject singular है, you understand singular and plural, right? Every one of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now if your subject is singular, आपका जो noun
Yes,
यहाँ पे है, if that is singular, you have to write S to the verb. And if your subjects are plural, then there is no S. For example, Shui and Grandpa. There are two people, right? Subject is plural. That means यहाँ पे हमने S नहीं लगाया है. बाकी C, Tarun. Tarun is one, so you are writing S. He, she, it, they all are singular, so you have to write S. Done? So now next, fifth one. I would want Kushi. Kushi, can you please unmute yourself and read the fifth one, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. He always tells us funny stories.
Yes, he always tells us funny stories. Why we have written S over here? Because the subject is singular. Done hai? Next. Thank you, Kushi. Next, Harshil. Harshil Aghara. Okay, he's not able to listen to me. Rahil.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Sixth one.
She never helps me with my homework.
Yes, she never helps me with my homework. Thank you, Harshil. Next, Prayag. Prayag. Prayag, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. 7th one.
Mala swims a week.
Right, Mala swim or swims? क्या आएगा? Mala is singular, so we'll write S with the verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so Mala swims twice a week, right? She swims 2 times in a week. Thank you, Prayag. Next on my list is Tathya.
Yes, ma'am.
8th one, beta.
Okay, Vrinda takes care of her sister.
Yes, Vrinda takes care of her sister. Tathya, why you have put S after take?
IX takes, ma'am.
नहीं, आई एम आस्किंग कि हमने यहाँ पे वृंदा टेक के पीछे S क्यों लगाया है? Why you have written S?
Because Vrinda is singular subject.
Yes, Vrinda is the subject is singular. Thank you, bacha. Next, Mahi. Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, last one, beta.
Jatin never misses the class.
Yes, Jatin never misses the class. Here, miss is there, so you have to write ES, right? And singular verb है, singular noun है, इसलिए verb के पीछे हमने ES लगाया है, right? चलिए, now this was all. Now come to the page number 13. Page 13. Now I hope you have gone through, you know that we are going to have our MEA exam next week से, right? उसमें English में obviously we are not going to questions, not going to have any written kind of examination. So what Disha ma'am would be asking is from the chapter. तो आपको chapter read करना है, ना कि question answer. ठीक है? Did everybody understood? Please type it in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Adya, you are having any doubt? Tell me, Adya. Adya. Okay, somebody was telling any doubts which anything to be cleared? कुछ confusion है कहीं पे भी?
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, MCQ से आएंगे?
हाँ, MCQs. Every exam, all the 5 exams, you'll have only MCQs. जैसे आपने 3rd की final exam दी थी, वैसे ही same. Okay?
Ma'am, how many MCQs?
20.
Ma'am, how many questions?
20.
20.
It is already there in the groups. Groups में आपको syllabus भेजा गया है और उसके साथ syllabus का question paper का pattern भी भेजा गया है बेचा. Yes, Jia.
Hello,
Jia
ma'am.
is having a doubt. Jia, yes.
मैम मैं रीड करूँगी, मैम मैं रीड करूँ फर्स्ट से ये चैप्टर.
I am not getting Akshay. What did you say?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Dhyani.
मैम मैं ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट होता है वहाँ से रीड करूँ?
नहीं बेचा, we need to complete the exercise today. Now take out page number 13, everyone. Yes, Jia.
मैम मुझे वो सेकंड वन आपने जिधर
अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद है ना जो
हाँ
पेज नंबर 13 में
सिनोनिम्स. हाँ
उसमें मुझे थोड़ा नहीं समझ में आ रहा.
synonyms means meanings, right? The word, when you heard synonym, अब आप 4th standard में आ गए हो, so the word or the terminologies would change. So synonyms means
मैम I have a
meaning.
doubt.
Yes, tell me.
मैम मेरे को 16 पेज नंबर जो है ना उसमें थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस मेक एक्सेप्ट वो वाले मेरे कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. मैं एक लेक्चर इंग्लिश का नहीं हुआ था ना तो आपने करवाया होगा.
I'll share the whole PDF, beta. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Chal. Now I want everyone to take out page number 13, right? And can I request Mishti? Please unmute yourself, Mishti. Read the first question and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
I am going to share these answers PDF में, so don't worry, but we need to discuss.
Okay, ma'am. What were the children asked to do to become the next emperor?
Yes. What were the children asked to do to become the next emperor? What is your answer, beta?
The answer will be Shui and other children try to plant a seed and become the next emperor.
I didn't heard you, beta. Repeat your answer, please.
Shui and other children has planted the seed to become the emperor.
Right? So what did the king ask? The king asked the children to grow a flower and they would be elected as the next emperor. Right? Your answer is correct, beta. Next, can I request Yasha Marwania?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Dhruvid Mehta. I am sorry for late coming.
It's fine, beta. No problem. Chalo, we are doing page number 13. We have completed one exercise. Yasha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read second question and give me your answer?
Why was the Shui excited about the challenge?
Why was Shui excited about the challenge? Shui क्यों excited था ये challenge? आपको ये story याद है सबको कि भूल गए आप सब लोग?
मैम मुझे याद है मैंने अभी
मैम I remember.
मैम मुझे भी याद
Okay.
है मैम
Why
I
was Shui
remember
excited?
मैम I
Okay, good.
say
Chalo. Yes,
Again.
Yasha would say. Yasha, why was Shui excited?
Shui was excited about planting a seed and about planting and because
The answer lies somewhere in this paragraph of page number 11. Page number 11, this paragraph, first paragraph. Find it out and give me the answer.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Shui was excited about planting the seed and adorning its beautiful flower.
Yes,
What?
very good, very good. Yasha, very good. She was excited about planting the seed and visualize जो करना था flower को grow करते. That was the excitement of Shui. Very good. Thank you, Yasha. Chalo. Third one. Can I request Dishita? Dishita, can you please unmute yourself?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What
Yes.
did Suchi do to grow the seeds? And 1 minute.
Right. What did Shui do
Answer.
to grow the seed? Shui ने क्या किया था seed grow करने के लिए? This answer is also somewhere over here. Page number 11, third paragraph.
Third one answer is Sui did everything that he could. Plant the seeds in the pot, watered it proper, give proper sunlight and protect it.
Yes, very good. Right, he did everything that he can do. He put it in the sunlight, he planted the seed in the pot, he gave water, took good care. Right? Okay, your answer is correct. Thank you, beta. Next one, the last answer. Can I please request Akshar Karya? Please unmute yourself, Akshar.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the fourth question.
Fourth question. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes. Fourth question. What did Sui do to grow the seed?
Fourth one, D.
If you were the emperor of Benin. Okay. Why was Sui excited about the challenge?
Akshar, can you see my screen, बच्चा?
Oh,
ये वाला पढ़ना है.
Okay, ma'am. Why did the emperor choose Sui to be the next emperor?
Yes, Shui को next emperor क्यों choose करा गया? Tell me. Which quality? It is somewhere in the last paragraph. This paragraph will give you the answer. Why was Shui selected as the next emperor? उसकी कौन सी क्वालिटी की वजह से?
Because Sui don't say lies.
Because of
Sui don't say lies.
Let Akshar speak. Shui was, वो कैसा लड़का था? How was he? Shui कैसा लड़का था? अक्षर जैसा honest boy था. Akshar is an honest boy, right?
Yes, honest means
Ma'am, I have
Honest
answer.
means जो हमेशा सच बोलता है. जो हमेशा truth बोलता है. The one who always speaks truth. So is Akshar a honest boy? Wait, beta. Akshar, are you an honest boy?
मतलब
क्या बच्चा? What?
honest boy मतलब
Honest boy, the one who always speaks truth.
okay.
Right? So this boy Shui was an honest boy. He came to the emperor. उसने बाकी सब ने क्या किया था? बाकी सब ने जो emperor ने जो seed दिए थे वो तो boiled थे, तो वो तो उसमें से plant उगने ही नहीं वाला था. Rest everyone except Shui, बाकी सब ने दूसरे seed से plant grow किए थे. And Shui was the only one who tried everything possible for the seed to grow. But आखिर में जब seed grow नहीं हुआ, he went with an empty pot. वो अपने खाली pot के साथ चला गया. And this proves that Shui is an honest boy. And that is the reason he was selected as the next emperor. Right? He was very honest. Clear? Chalo, this I'll share the PDF, so don't worry. You have to, today's homework would be write this question answer in your FNB. ठीक? Chalo, now come to the second question.
मैम
Yes.
मैम बार लिख डाले दूसरा बार जा रहे हैं.
Please type it in the chat box, Bicha. Whatever you have, you first ask me whether you have to speak or not, and then chalo. For now, next question number 2. Can I please request Nancy? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the second question.
Find out
Synonyms.
synonyms of the following words from the story.
Now, you all have to understand that synonym का मतलब meanings. Right? उसी चीज का different word. Synonym is meaning. Okay? Chalo. Then she read the first one. What is the first question of synonym?
मैम मुझे इंटरेस्ट का सिनोनिम नहीं पता.
इसका?
इंटरेस्ट. मैम I can read.
Chalo, Nancy, give me the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
First one.
Yes. Room.
Roam. Roam माने to move unnecessary. ऐसे ही घूमना. आप जैसे क्लास में suppose the class teacher is not there. तो आप अपने क्लासरूम में कैसे घूमते हो? That is known as roam. Yes, and that was roaming one day. So that word is known as wandered. Which is that word? Synonym क्या है? roam का?
क्वेश्चन आंसर मैंने एक बार लिख लिया तो दूसरी बार लिखना है.
नहीं दोबारा थोड़ी लिखेंगे बेटा. You have to write it one time only.
मैम आपने जब फोटो भेजा था तो भी मैंने लिख लिया था.
अच्छा, okay, no issues. Chalo, so first one, the first synonym of roamed is wandered. W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D. Is my screen visible to everyone? Is everyone writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay, good. Second one or third one? एक ही है, so you have to write only one.
I can.
Planted.
मैम वन टाइम ही लिखने वो दोनों सेम है तो.
हाँ, one time ही लिखना, no issues. Planted, P-L-A-N-T-D-E. Planted is sowed. शुई ने plant किया था seed को. So the spelling is S-O-W-E-D. Sowed. Next. Third one is same, so I'm not telling that. Fourth one, embarrassed. किसी के सामने शर्मिंदा होना. So that word is known as ashamed. A-S-H-A-M-E-D. I repeat, A-S-H-A-M-E-D. Ashamed. चलो, done है? Everyone
Yes,
done है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here we complete. Okay, here we complete the first chapter. Yes, Dhruvit, quickly आप अपना क्वेश्चन पूछो बेटा. आप बाकी सब क्लासेस से 2 क्लास पीछे चल रही है. Yes, Dhruvit, please ask your question.
मैम अगर हम ऑनेस्ट की जगह पर अगर हम नेवर टेल लाइस लिख दे तो चलेगा?
नहीं बच्चा, there you have to write honest only. I'll share the PDF, so don't worry. Right? Chalo, now come quickly to page number 19. Now it is a very simple poem of Bansi, please switch off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off your mic, beta. Everyone, put your mics off. Now, can I request Kashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Kashvi, please
Yes.
read page number 19. The boy who never told a lie. First paragraph of that poem.
Why did never love the boy? Once there was a little boy.
First paragraph. First paragraph.
Ma'am, page number 19.
Yes, page number 19.
Okay, ma'am. Once there was a little boy with a hair and pleasant eyes. The boy
With
who
curly hair and pleasant eyes.
curly hair.
Nobody will speak in the middle. I won't give chance अगर आपने बीच में unmute किया अपने आप को तो.
And never told a lie.
Yes. Stop.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop, Kashvi. Okay. Right? Now, before starting this poem, let us understand what is this poem about. This poem is about a little boy who never speaks a lie. Right? He always speaks truth. वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. He always speaks truth. So this little boy, जब भी वो स्कूल के लिए निकलता है, so everyone around him, they are like, बोलते हैं, देखो वो जा रहा है, वो स्वरित जा रहा है, स्वरित जो बहुत मस्ती करता है ना वो है. तो उसी तरह से when this boy was passing at that time, they all used to tell, look at that boy is the one who never tells a lie. कभी भी वो झूठ बोलता नहीं है. Right? Suppose if Khushi is going to school, so everybody tells, let's see that girl is Khushi, that is the one who is always looking pretty. Right, Khushi? Khushi, can you please switch on your camera? Sorry, अपना camera off करें so that I can see Khushi. Khushi, can you please switch on your camera, बच्चा? Khushi. Kashvi नहीं, Khushi. Khushi Pingle, are you able to hear me? Okay, can you please switch on your camera, bacha? Camera and microphone. Okay, I guess she is having network issues. I'm not able to see. No issues, right? So this is a sweet little poem about a boy who never told a lie. He always spoke truth. हमेशा सच बोलता था, right? So this poem is going to be very, calm and soothing. आपको इसमें कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी समझने के लिए. It is about the boy जो हमेशा सच बोलता था, कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. And once when he goes to school, everybody around him tells that there goes the boy who never tells a lie. Right? Chaliye. So first paragraph was read. Now second, for reading second paragraph. Princy, please check your watch. Beta, it is 8:35. चलो, I want Arav Kundaria. बेटा आप बीच बीच में कोई नहीं बोलोगे. Disha ma'am will give chance to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, please read the second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am. And when he
Trotted means to walk to school. आप स्कूल पे कैसे भाग भाग के जाते हो ना?
हाँ. Trotted to school, the children all about would cry, "This goes the curly-haired boy, the boy that never tells a lie."
Okay, thank you, Arav. Very nicely done. Chalo, next third paragraph.
Ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आपने कशी का तो दो बार टर्न लिया.
Okay. चलो कश्यप बोल रही हूँ मैं, कश्वी नहीं बोल रही हूँ, कश्यप.
Okay, ma'am, I am reading.
Yes, perfect.
And everybody loved him so because he always told the truth. That every day as he grew up,
It was said.
it was said, there goes the honest youth.
Youth. Okay, thank you. चलो. चलो, Adya, please unmute yourself. Read the 4th paragraph.
And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, and ask would he always tell, because he never tells a lie.
Okay. By anonymous. चलो, thank you everyone. Anonymous written over here. ये क्या है? How do you spell this? Anonymous. How will you spell this? Anonymous. Speak it. Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Right. Now, what is anonymous? Anonymous means where जब किसी ने कोई पोएट्री लिखी होती है, at that time they write their name just below it. But if we don't know who has written this poem, ये poem किसने लिखी है, ये अगर हमें पता नहीं है, so what is written? Anonymous, unknown poet, right? Anonymous मतलब poet's name is not known. Kashmir, please switch off your camera. Okay, good. Right? So you have to understand this word. आपको ये word बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आना चाहिए. Anonymous means if the poet's name is unknown, we don't know who is the poet. At that time we write anonymous, right? अब जब ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लिखेंगे आपकी नोटबुक में इसके, when you will start with this poem, at that time also you have to write. हर एक poem में दिशा मैम makes it very compulsory that you have to write the poem's name, and just below that you have to write the poet's name, right? जिसने ये poem लिखी है, अगर उसका नाम नहीं है, then you have to write by anonymous. Clear? चलिए, so this paragraph, I'll explain this poem quickly. It is already 8:40. Once there was a little boy with curly hair and pleasant eyes. The boy who always told the truth and never told a lie. Right? एक बार एक लड़का था, एक young boy, a little boy, who was having curly hair. You can see in the picture also that boy is having curly hair, right? Curly बाल. किसके curly बाल है? Who is having curly hair? Anybody of you is having curly hair? Curly hair? Noodles जैसे? No? Okay. Mishti is having, okay, good, right? But have you seen any person with curly hair? curly बाल होते, गुंचरे पूरे, noodles जैसे. Yes, okay. So this boy, you can see in the picture, this boy is having curly hair, right? His hair is very curly. And pleasant eyes, beautiful small eyes, right? What he was having, curly hair and beautiful small eyes. The boy who always told the truth. Truth matlab sach bolna. He always spoke the truth and never told a lie. Kabhi bhi jhoot nahi bolta tha. Lie is jhoot. and उसका opposite is truth. Truth opposite lie. Truth माने सच बोलना and lie झूठ बोलना. ठीक? And when he trotted off to school, when I want to see, can I request trotting off is भाग के स्कूल पे जाना. चलो सिया प्लीज unmute your mic and your camera और मुझे trotting करके दिखाओ. Show me how you trot off to school. सिया कोरवाड़िया, please switch on your mic and camera both.
मैम मेरे को नेटवर्क इश्यू है तो कैमरा का ऑप्शन कभी कभी आता है कभी कभी चला जाता है.
अच्छा, okay, no issues. चलो, so then anybody else who can Rahil, can you show us?
Ma'am, how?
Okay, Swarit's camera is on. Swarit will show us how do you trot off to school. आप trotting कैसे करते हो when you are going to school? How you trot off to school? Show us. Yes. Very good, Swarit. Very good. Thank you. चलो, next, anybody else who can switch on the camera and show us how you trot off to school? आपके कैमरा का बटन अगर आपके पास आ रहा है तो प्लीज स्विच ऑन द कैमरा so that we'll be able to see you. Arav Pundaria.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera, beta. Yes. अब ऐसी जगह पे रखो कि जहाँ पे तुम ट्रॉट ऑफ करके हमें दिखा सको. ट्रॉटिंग ऑफ. हाउ डू यू वॉक फास्टली टू योर स्कूल?
मैम मुझे नहीं आता है वो.
क्या नहीं आता बेटा? भागना नहीं आता है स्कूल पे? आप कैसे चल के जाते हो?
आता है ना.
हाँ, तो कैमरा आपका सीधा रख दो, मोबाइल आपका सीधा रख दो, फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन सी यू. यस, और आपको यू डोंट नीड टू रन, यू जस्ट नीड टू एक्ट. आपको एक्टिंग करके दिखानी है. यू डोंट नीड टू रन. यस. नाउ हाउ डू यू ट्रॉट ऑफ टू स्कूल? शो मी. हाँ, वेरी गुड. सी, आता तो है. वेरी गुड.
कैमरा बंद कर दो.
Yes, अब आप you can switch off your camera, no issues. Right? चलो, so now we know this trotting off to school. Trotting off to school is भाग के स्कूल पे जाना, right? That we all do. And when he trotted off to school, you can see when he was walking off to school, वो चल रहा है, this is trotting, right? When he trotted off to school, the children all about would cry. Cry माने यहाँ पे CRY cry does not means रोना, right? ये सब चिल्लाते हैं यहाँ से. There goes the curly-headed boy, the boy who never tells a lie. You can see that. उसके when he is going to school, जब ये स्कूल जा रहा है तो यहाँ पे बाकी सारे बच्चे वहां से they are shouting. Look at that boy. That boy is never telling a lie, right? And everybody loved him so because he always told the truth. That every day as he grew up, it was said, there goes the honest youth. And when the people that stood near would turn to ask the reason why, the answer would be always this, because he never tells a lie, right? जब भी लोग वहां से निकलते थे तो they used to stand. You can see this. The people used to stare him, right? The reason was because they all knew that this boy was an honest boy. वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता था. Right? This is the simple poem. Chalo. Now, anybody is having any doubt in the poem? Please type it in the chat box. Any doubts in the poem? Okay. So, in the next class, probably Monday को 4th standard के साथ में एकादा Monday या Tuesday को Monday को sorry आपका 4th standard के साथ 4th A या B या C के साथ I'll be merging your class, right? Because you guys are running a bit back, right? Now for MEA exams there is not any written examination, so you have to read the poem and the chapter. The syllabus for English literature is chapter number 1 with its poem. तो आपको ये खाली read करना है. You have to understand. Disha ma'am would be asking anything in detail. Is that clear? जी हाँ, मीनिंग ऑफ इट इज हम लोग शुड प्लस नॉट बिकम्स शुड नॉट, डू प्लस नॉट बिकम्स डू नॉट. Same way, it was, it, it was, you can see in the help, in the word meaning. It is there. It was. It was. Okay, Jia? So it is, it was का short form है. The was लिखा हुआ है, but you have to read it as it was. Okay? Okay, let me unmute your conference and let me tell you. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just unmuting, Micha. Bansi, please ask me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Grammar में और English.
I didn't get you. What?
है ये.
I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, grammar में English में दोनों में.
सब में ग्रामर, इंग्लिश, मैथ, EVS, SS, everywhere it's MCQ. आपने अपना सिलेबस नहीं देखा है बेटा?
नो मैम, हमारे 14 इंग्लिश और ग्रामर में दोनों प्लस हुआ है ना.
बंसी, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा आप क्या पूछ रहे हो बेटा?
मैम वो ऐसा पूछ रही है कि हमारे दोनों इंग्लिश के और ग्रामर के दोनों मर्ज होंगे MCQ.
हाँ 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 हाँ, नहीं 40 नहीं आएंगे. इट इज 20 ओनली. सो 10 मार्क्स ग्रामर एंड 10 मार्क्स इंग्लिश. पेपर वुड बी 1 ओनली. पेपर दो नहीं होंगे.